Don't use this wallpaper as it will kill your smartphone. Now imagine this. You are scrolling through your Twitter feed and you find a beautiful wallpaper. Without knowing anything, you try to set it as your phone wallpaper after downloading. But little did you know, this wallpaper caused huge damage to your phone. As soon as you move past the lock screen, your phone display starts to blink. Surprised enough, you try to restart your phone, but that doesn't change anything and your phone gets stuck in an endless loop. This is what happened to most of the people who tried to download it and set it as their wallpaper. Android bugs are not new and some other flaws have caught attention too. Even the most secure iPhone have had some security flaws in the past. Previously, iPhone users were at risk of a specially formatted text in Sindhi characters that could crash their phones. But let's talk about this wallpaper. The wallpaper is a photograph of St. Mary Lake in Montana and was taken with a Nikon camera. Edited using a Adobe Lightroom preset and then uploaded to Flickr. The issue was first discovered by Ice Universe, who shared its finding on Twitter, but there was some ambiguity around it. This doesn't affect all Android smartphones. Also, it doesn't affect any Android phone unless kept as a wallpaper. At first, users claimed that the image can crash Samsung, Xiaomi and Google phones. Twitter users suggested that OnePlus phones may also be immune along with some devices from other brands. Later, it was suggested that the exploit can only happen on Android 10 devices and older regardless of the brand. So what is the reason behind it? Technically speaking, it is not a fault of the photographer, rather of some Android devices' color engines. To put it simply, most Android devices have their color engines work in the sRGB, standard red, green, blue color space. This color space was developed by HP and Microsoft cooperatively in 1996 to use on monitors, printers and the web. After an inspection of the real image's color space, it is found out that the color range is more wider than sRGB, that is ProPhoto RGB. What this means, the issue is not limited to this particular image. It is a formatting flaw and so could be embedded in other images yet to surface. Most devices using Android 10 and under do not know how to process these color ranges. So every time this wallpaper is rendered on your device UI as a wallpaper, the phone crashes. Let us talk about what happens when you set it as your wallpaper. For some Android users that are already affected by this glitch, the boot loop sequence that initiates as fail-safe mechanism could in certain occasions enter the recovery menu. If this happens, users end in the device's safe mode, meaning that they should be able to change the wallpaper away or simply delete the image from the device. Else, if the device continues to boot loop for several times without entering the safe mode, the phone is literally soft bricked. The only thing users can do is to initiate a force factory reset on the phone. All data will be wiped as the phone returns to how it was when it was first shipped. The phone should work after that. If you really like this wallpaper and want to use it, there are other ways as well. You can simply take a screenshot of the photo and then apply it as a wallpaper, just like you would do to any other wallpaper. What screenshotting does is to take a photo of the screen in the compatible color space with some compression, just like social media does. To avoid getting factory data reset in your phone, just don't download the original image. Just a few days after this issue was first revealed, Google said that it has been working on a fix. Did you know about this or accidentally tried it? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like these.